friends, welcome to Antara's Kitchen. My beloved friend Shelly Sengupta has challenged me to post one video preparing a dish with egg and potato. Thank you, Shelly. Today I will prepare egg and potato momo. Momos are highly popular in Southeast Asia. It is believed to have originated in China or Tibet and is fine-tuned in Nepal. Traditionally, momos were mainly prepared with meat fillings, but in North India, veggie momos are also very popular and also available widely in all leading restaurants and food joints. Let's just not waste more time and quickly see the ingredients needed for egg and potato momos.
Chopped onions, chopped garlic, ginger, spring onions, cheddar and parmesan, eggs, shredded potato, black pepper, tomato, salt, garlic and chilies, soy sauce, vinegar, maida or all-purpose flour, olive oil, let's begin preparing the filling first. I have taken some olive oil. You can take any oil. Let the oil heat for some time. Now I will add the onions. And lightly fry it. Time for ginger and garlic to be added. And some chopped chilies. Add salt as per taste. I have beaten 2 eggs. Make some space in the pan and put it in here. We will scramble the eggs. Mix it up with the onions. Now your filling is ready. Let's keep it aside and start preparing the wrappers. For wrappers, I have used 2 cups of maida and prepared a dough. For this dough, I have used 1 tablespoon of oil, pinch of salt and water. As you can see, the dough is not too soft, it is little bit in the harder side. I have prepared this 2 hours back. I have made few small balls with the dough. Now I will roll them into wrappers. You have to make thin wrap. You can bypass these steps if you use ready-made momo wrapper available in the market. So thin wrappers are ready now, and we will now fill them up and fold them into momos. So fillers and wrappers are ready. I will take one wrapper, apply some water on the sides. Here is the egg, shredded potatoes. I have added some salt and put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. Chopped spring onions, cheese, cheddar and parmesan. This is the simplest method. Fold it into half. Now apply some water in the two corners in opposite sides. Now fold them like this. So your first shape is ready. Next one, we will make a modak shape. Apply water on the sides. Fill it up with the filling. And now make some plates and close it. And it will look like a modak. Third shape, as usual, apply some water on the sides, add some filling, make some plates, and join it like this. Momos are ready to be steamed. I have applied some oil on the steamer tray and will put the momos in here. You can pan fry the momos instead. Pan fried momos are called kothe. I am using a rice cooker. You can use any steamer. Place the tray and cover it and cook it around 10 to 12 minutes. Now I will prepare the chutney. We will need sliced tomatoes. We will put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. This is how the tomato looks after you bring it out from the microwave. Now remove the skin from the tomato. Crush some pepper over it. Add lightly roasted garlic, green chilies, soya sauce, vinegar, little salt, and blend it and make a smooth paste of it. In many places, momos are served alongside with the soup. You can even put the cooked momos in a vegetable or chicken broth. Chutney is ready. It's been 10 minutes. We'll check the momos. Yes, they are ready. Now we will plate them. Please like and share this video and also like my Facebook page Antara's Kitchen. Thank you.